Hello friends, welcome to my new Java programming tutorial. Today we will discuss escape sequences in Java. So let's move ahead to Eclipse and see what are escape sequences in Java. So friends, what are escape sequences in Java? Let's discuss escape sequences through a simple example. Suppose I create a string. So here the string object starts with a double quote and ends with a double quote. So whatever comes in the between is our string object. Say suppose if we type something like hello, so hello would be our sequence of characters which will be represented as a string for us. So friends, what the string literal here suggests that a string literal starts with a double quote and ends with a double quote. Whatever comes in between is represented as a string object. And suppose I have created a string hello, and if I want to put something like a double quote in between the hello, if I do something like this, then it will throw a compile time error saying what compiler would think that string has started here and it has ended here, and it doesn't understand what is this, and it complains that try to complete the string by ending it with a and starting with a double quote. So, and if I want to say print something like putting a double quote in between the string, what I have to do, I have to put a escape character in between. The escape character here would be, for Java the escape character is something like a backslash. So suppose I create a string. So friends, here I have created a string which says hello friends, welcome to hoverspot.com. So what if now I want to put this hoverspot.com in between the quotes, and say suppose if I run the program by printing it out on the console, it will print something as, it will print hello friends, welcome to hoverspot.com as it is. Now friends, suppose I want to highlight hoverspot.com in double quotes. If I put a double quote in between here, then the compiler would think that it is a incomplete sequence of characters, so it will throw in compile time error. And so in order to put something in between quotes in a string, we have to put an escape sequence. So here, to put a double quote as an escape sequence, we'll put backslash and we'll put the quote, and at the end also we'll do something like backslash and double quote. So if I run the program again, see here it printed hoverspot.com in double quotes. So whenever the compiler sees that okay, something is here in a backslash, and afterwards whatever comes is an escape sequence for the compiler, and it escapes it as it is by printing the double quotes. So compiler just ignores this double quotes in between the string and parses it as it is and prints it out, say in the quotes hoverspot.com. So friend, this was one of the escape sequences. There are many more. Say suppose I want to enter hello friends, and after I want to print welcome to hoverspot.com in the next line. So one of the escape sequences backslash n, and if I run the program, you see welcome to hoverspot.com came in the next line. So what this backslash n did, it is printed the welcome to hoverspot.com in the next line. And say if we want to print some single quotes, suppose we want to print a single quote after friend, so we'll just put a backslash and the single quote, and if I run the program, it will just print out a single quote in between the string. And let's see if I want to now put say a tab after say hello friends. A tab is like 2-3 white spaces together. So if I want to put a tab, I will put backslash t, and if I run this program, I remove slash n, and if I run the program, you see there is a tab sequence in between hello friends and welcome to hoverspot.com here. So what the backslash t does, it inserts a consecutive white spaces in between. So let's move ahead, and what if I want to enter say a backslash only in the string? So I will do something like this, backslash backslash. So this backslash will escape this backslash for us, and if I run the program, you will see that one backslash is appeared here. So if I didn't put a backslash over here, then what compiler would have thought that I am using backslash t, and it would have inserted a tab here. So in order to escape this backslash, I have to put something like backslash. So the compiler printed backslash for us by escaping this backslash for us. Friends, there is one more escape sequence. Suppose I want to put, which is similar to backslash n. If I put something like slash r over here and then I run the program, see, it will do as it is what the backslash n did. It will print, it will hit enter over here, say in this string, and print whatever comes after this slash backslash r. It will print on the next line. If you see here, whatever came after the backslash r, say spot.com, it printed on the next line. So these were the few escape sequences in Java. Friends, let's see in a slide what are other escape sequences. So friends, apart from whatever we saw in the demo, there are a few other escape sequences in Java. Say if I put backslash t, it inserts a tab. If I put backslash b, it inserts a backspace in the text. If I put backslash n, it inserts a new line, means it prints whatever comes after the backslash n into the new line. If I put backslash r, it inserts a carriage return in the text. So say suppose I am typing something in the notepad and I want to print something on the now next line, so I will hit a enter. So this backslash r does the same thing. It hits the enter to that particular point, and whatever comes after the backslash r, it prints on the next line. There is one more thing, slash f, which inserts a form feed in the text. Backslash single quotes inserts a single quote. Backslash double quotes inserts a double quote in the text, and backslash inserts a backslash in the text. So friends, these were the escape sequences in Java. So friends, if you like this video, then please like us on Facebook and YouTube. Share this video on Facebook with your friends, and if you have any comments to share, then share it below. You can also subscribe my video on YouTube, and you can also visit my blog at www.hoverspot.com for more Java tutorials and source code. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.